Hi, Greg Davis with MarineMax down in Savannah. I want to give you a quick walkthrough of a Yamaha AR240. This is a 2020 model we just got in. Starting at the bow up here, I'll show you Yamaha's unique anchor locker with the beach boarding ladder. Makes getting in and out of the boat from the front very easy. We got full storage on both sides. Filler cushions for the front, stereo speakers, drink holders. I really like the new matting they've done for this year. Easy to clean, great on the feet. On this model you have storage on both sides here. This also acts as a wind dam that you can put up on those days when the weather isn't good. Close the windshield off, and now no air gets through and everybody's comfortable. On this side, we've got enough room on this model for a porta potty. There's a light inside, very nice layout, give you a nice lunch cooler. And in the floor, you'll also see the oversized ski locker here. Holds plenty of stuff for your day. Going to the helm. The helm this year offers their Connext feature, built-in charting, all your diagnostics. Cell phone holder on this side, USB charging ports. Everything is controlled via the joystick. You can go scroll through to your stereo system, the charting, your diagnostics. Tilt steering wheel on this model. On this side, you've got a beverage center, lockable storage here, drink holders on either side. This one does have offer the twin captain seats, very comfortable. It does have a table for the back area. Again, you've got great storage on either side. This side is your batteries. This is a dual battery system, which starting and a house battery with a parallel switch in case there's one of your batteries won't start the engine. On this side, you've got great storage. Your flush out ports are on either side here inside the boat. Very easy to flush. Very low maintenance even in salt water. This one has their sport tower with the Bimini that's attached. It has a ski tow for wakeboarding up top, and one also down low if you were to have people tubing. On this model for this year, they went with the sea deck on the back transom. You've got wet storage here for towels, fenders, stereo control, another table mount. And then under this is Yamaha's patented clean out ports. So if you were to run over a ski rope, crab trap line, you can easily pull this out, clean the rope or the debris out, and be on the way. This is a quick walkthrough of the AR240 here at MarineMax of Savannah. You can call us directly, area code 912-897-9881. Thanks.